following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:11 p.m., a strong thunderstorm located 31 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
Impact, overturned and capsized boats. The strong thunderstorm